Hello friends, I'm Christopher.
And I'm Charlotte.
And today on Gardening with Children, we are going to transplant some sunflowers and talk to the statues and the yard art we have in the garden. Okay?
Okay, let's talk to Garden Bunny.
Garden Bunny, let's go find her.
She's in here. This is my Garden Bunny. She's so cute and I love her.
And
She's so cute.
Yeah, she is. She's your good friend.
Yeah, she's my cute
Don't mind if I chill a little bit, like Norman the Gnome. You see, I think almost equally as important, okay, not equally as important, but still important to the garden, not just your vegetables and your flowers, are the, doodads that you put inside of it for kids. I have been known to call it creative placemaking. You create this magical sense of whimsy, and your little toddlers are running around, talking to the bunny, talking to the gnome, doing X, Y, and Z. We actually also picked up, I'm a big fan of the video game series The Legend of Zelda, and they have these little characters called Koroks. They look like little, call them forest gnomes. They grow trees, they hide this and that. But I've got a series of them. I hide them throughout the garden in the backyard every couple of days, and then Charlotte goes Korok hunting. It's so much fun. But if you have trouble keeping your kid engaged or focused in the garden, something like that is a great way of keeping them in the space, running around, looking, and exploring. Well, misfortune befell this particular walkway over winter. A raccoon or something got to my 4 blueberry plants, ate them all the way down to the ground. So I'm left with the options of ripping them up and starting them somewhere else, or just, stopping blueberries, or giving them a chance to grow another year and see what happens. I did that with my gooseberry and it came back immensely. So that's what I'm going to try with the blueberries. So I've got 10 Mexican sunflower plants that I germinated with Charlotte in our grow room this winter, and we're going to just intersperse these in here. Let the sunflowers grow up, kind of shelter these so it's harder for predators to eat them, and we'll see what happens. If nothing else, we'll get a nice hedge of beautiful sunflowers here, and if these don't take, then I rip them out in the fall, right? Okay, Charlotte, come on over. Okay. Charlotte is carrying, show everybody on camera what you've got.
I got this.
That is a Mexican sunflower. We started that plant from a tiny seed, do you remember?
I remember.
You did a really good job helping.
It grew up and it came to life.
And it grew up and it came to life, that's right. From a tiny seed we got that. Now we're going to put it in the ground. That's called transplanting. Can you say transplanting?
Transplanting.
Transplanting, that's right. So here, Daddy is going, why don't you sit right here, ready? Sit right, yeah, good. Daddy is going to use his garden knife. This is pretty sharp, so I'm going to do this part myself. But I'm going to break up the soil a little bit over here.
That's a strong man.
Because I'm a strong man. You heard it on camera, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Charlotte. That's very sweet of you. So Daddy's going to loosen up the soil, which is actually pretty loose. I don't often plant in my soil anymore because it's hard clay, but all of these wood chips that we've been doing, Charlotte has helped me get wood chips, haven't you? All these chips have really aerated some of the top layers. It's pretty nice. All right, that should be good. Okay, Charlotte. Daddy's gonna hold on here. Why don't you slowly pull off this black container? Can you pull it towards you? Pull, good. You see all these white things here? Those are called roots. So the plant has roots that go down into the soil, and they get all the nutrients that the plant needs to survive and grow. So we're gonna put it in this hole. You wanna do it with me? Yep, lean over. Come on, stand up. And put it in the hole. That's right, good.
I go,
Now we're gonna push it down a little bit. No, not the top, not the top, just the dirt. So here, you can squat down again. Squat down. I'm gonna move some dirt around. Ready? And you push that. Go ahead, push. Push it. That's right. You have to make sure that those roots are connected to soil, that there's no blank space.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because roots just aren't gonna grow in the air now, are they? Good job, Charlotte. Now we just have 9 more to plant. All right, helper. Would you please put that plant right here? Good. Thank you very much. Got some dirt, you just go like this. There you go. Ta-da! Through the magic of editing, I have planted all 10 of these Mexican sunflowers. Charlotte did help with more than just carrying them. It was good education, and you know, she had fun in the garden. And if nothing else, just being in this space, creating happy memories where she's talking to the statues and helping Daddy move plants and put things in the ground, that's great. That is the foundation of a lifetime of gardening, but really a lifetime of exploring, being creative, and then learning by doing, as far as I'm concerned. So I hope you get your kids out into the garden to do whatever they can. Whatever you're doing, let them be a part of it, right? Let me know what you and your kids are doing, and if you like this, you know what to do. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye, guys.